Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some essential English words. Set the ball rolling, which is an idiom meaning to begin an activity or process. Debacle, which is a noun meaning a complete failure. Rudderless, which is an adjective meaning lacking a clear sense of one's aim or principles. Abysmal, which is an adjective meaning extremely bad. Edifice, which is a noun meaning a complicated system or policy. Crumbled, which is a verb meaning to become weaker in strength or influence. Woes, which is a noun meaning a big problem or trouble. Heir, which is a noun meaning a person who inherits and continues the work of a predecessor. Gridlock, which is a noun meaning a situation in which no progress can be made. Intemperate, which is an adjective meaning having or showing a lack of self-control. Jibe, which is a noun meaning an insulting or mocking remark. Secularism, which is a noun meaning a doctrine that rejects religion and religious considerations. Tenet, which is a noun meaning one of the principles on which a belief or theory is based. Purportedly, which is an adverb meaning as appears or as stated to be true, though not necessarily so. Scorn, which is a noun meaning a feeling and expression of contempt or disdain for someone or something. That's all for today. We'll be back with more vocabulary words. Thank you.